Welcome, friends. Today we are exploring a fascinating topic: 15 jobs that AI cannot replace. While AI is transforming many industries, there are certain roles that AI cannot replace. Let's get started. First job is creative writers. AI can assist with grammar and style, but it cannot replicate the creativity and emotional depth that human writers bring to storytelling. Next job is psychiatrists and therapists. Mental health professionals provide empathy, understanding, and nuanced human interaction that AI simply cannot mimic. Another job that AI cannot replace is artist. Whether it is painting sculpture or digital art, the unique vision and creativity of artists are beyond capabilities of AI. Next job is teachers. Great teachers inspire and adapt to the needs of their students and build personal connections that AI cannot replicate. Next job is social workers. Providing support and advocacy for individuals in need requires empathy, adaptability, and human connection. Next job is judges and lawyers. Legal professionals interpret laws, consider context, and apply ethical judgments, which are complex human tasks. Next job is event planner. Coordinating events involves creativity, negotiation, and dealing with unexpected changes, all of which benefit from human expertise. Next job is scientists. While AI can assist with data analysis, the curiosity, hypothesis generation, and innovative thinking of scientists remain uniquely human. Next job is musicians. Composing and performing music is a deeply creative and emotional process that AI can't fully grasp or replicate. Next job is filmmakers. Directing, producing, and editing films require a combination of creativity, vision, and human emotion that AI lacks. Next job is personal trainer. Customizing fitness plans and motivating individuals to achieve their goals involve personal interaction and empathy. Next job is chefs. Cooking is an art that blends creativity, skill, and passion to create unique culinary experiences. AI cannot provide that cooking skills and art to put flavor in dishes. Next job is entrepreneurs. Starting and running a business involves risk-taking, innovation, and vision that go beyond the capabilities of AI. Next job is human resource managers. HR professionals handle complex interpersonal issues, mediate conflicts, and foster a positive workplace culture that AI cannot provide. Thanks for watching the video.